welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Boxycharm. We are just going to jump right on in here. I have not seen any sneak peeks, so this is going to be a surprise to me as it is to you. But if you have seen sneak peeks, then you already know what may or may not be in my box. Boxycharm is not sent to me. I pay $21 a month for Boxycharm. Last year, every single box that I received was well over $100. The thing with me is that I will watch so many reviews on YouTube before I go out and buy a product. With Boxycharm, they send it to me. I get to try it out. For example, the mascara that I am wearing today is the It Cosmetics mascara, and I got it in one of my Boxycharm boxes, and I've been wearing this for a couple of weeks now, and it is like my favorite mascara. When this mascara runs out, will I go into Ulta and purchase it? Yes, I will. Let's jump right on into the box. Ooh, oh, what color is this? Okay, long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is by Ofra. You guys know Ofra is pretty consistent and good with their liquid lipstick. I'm not sure about this color. I'm gonna grab some tissue and take this off. I was wearing Morphe's lip gloss, but let's see. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. Do I need to put up my hand? This is what the doe foot applicator looks like, and I have a mirror down here. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, it's looking very orangey. I'm gonna say pass on this. And this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a matte liquid lipstick. It delivers long-lasting color. Sorry, those are sirens. Sorry. This retails for $20. The formula is good. The color, not so good. I'm going to have to give this liquid lipstick away. So if anyone is watching this and wants this liquid lipstick, I only tried it out once. Yeah, you can have it. This is a really good brand. This retails for $12. If you guys have not tried Briogeo, I've tried this through Boxycharm, and I absolutely loved this. This is a good brand. I think I tried was it a shampoo conditioner? So this I cannot wait to use. Let me show you guys. Okay, so it comes as a pump. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. $1 Billion Brows Universal Pencil. Okay, so I did my eyebrows already. So here is the spoolie. And then, oh, that was kind of hard to put on. Okay, it's secure. Oh, universal for me, maybe not for others. Oh yes, this is definitely a plus. And this retails for $18. Wow, okay. I've never heard of $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. Okay, yay me. Dewy face mask. Oh, we got two. I will be trying these out soon, and it just says these retail for $24. Is that each, or together it's $24? It says 2-pack, so I think both of these are $24 together. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Okay, yay. $36 was this, is this Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. Do you guys remember we got a palette from Boxycharm? It was an eyeshadow palette though, right? Rainforest of the Sea volume 2. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers. Okay, blendable long wing. Let's just get into it. OMG. I guess the word highlight threw me off because I thought this was okay. It is. But it's an eyeshadow, a highlighting eyeshadow. Oh, I love this already. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. How cute are the names? Tiki, Heatwave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, Jewel, Treasure, and Escape. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. Excited. Can we swatch some of these? Which one is speaking to me? This rose goldy one called Heatwave. Yes, let's see this one. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Let's try the darkest one that's in here, which is called Malibu. Malibu. Can we swatch this beautiful goldy color called Compass? Oh my gosh. This one's like the lightest one. Wait, did I swatch Treasure already? Don't even remember. Anyways, this is Treasure. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You guys could see I'm filming from my phone. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. This was the highlight. This and this. And probably this. I have so many face masks, but still I don't. Have I ever used a touch? I don't know. But anyways, be sure to follow me on my social media because I'm going to try these out on my social media. But you guys, seriously, this is my excitement right here. I'm gonna run off and take this lipstick off my face, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. I upload videos every Friday. I hope you guys are having a great day or evening whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next video.